Hello everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Uh, Happy New Year to everyone. Today I'm just going to make a very simple vegetable curry with cauliflower and peas. And the ingredients as usual are very simple. Just keep watching and I'll run you through the ingredients. So first of all, we have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Then I have like 2 tomatoes that I have pureed, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a cauliflower cut in florets, washed and then drained and cut in florets. Then we have like half a cup of peas, 2 onions chopped, a little coriander that's chopped, salt to taste. So these are our ingredients. We'll begin now by cooking our cauliflower and peas curry. So I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan. Once the oil becomes hot, I'll add in the chopped onions. Now we'll have to saute this till the onions turn translucent or light brown in color. This may take around 2 to 3 minutes, so we just have to have patience till the onions fry and turn light brown in color. Once we are satisfied that the onions are fried to our satisfaction, going to add in the ginger garlic paste. I'm going to fry this till the raw smell goes. Then I'm going to add in all the 4 powders that I told you about earlier. The chili powder, turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. So just fry this for a little while and then add in the tomato puree. I've added in the tomato puree. Going to fry this well till the oil leaves the sides of the mass. Once that's done, you can see that it's frying really well and it's leaving the sides. The oil has come up well. I'm going to add in some water. Now water depends on how much of gravy you want for your curry. So I added a little extra because I like it to be a little thin. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste and going to bring this whole thing to a rolling boil. Meanwhile, just add in some of the coriander. Or you could use all the coriander if you like the chopped coriander. It was a little too much for me, so I've kept some aside. Now waiting for this to come to a rolling boil. Once it boils, then only I'm going to add in the vegetable, that's the cauliflower florets and the green peas. So mix well and turn the heat to high. Then cover and cook on high heat till the cauliflower is tender and the peas are cooked. You could open occasionally, give it a stir to see whether and check if the cauliflower is tender. It needs to cook a little more. So I'm going to once again close the pan and cook. I'm going to cook for a few more minutes till the cauliflower is tender. Cauliflower is done, so I'm going to switch off the heat and I'm going to let this dish rest for some time, for about 10 minutes before serving. Our simple cauliflower and peas curry is ready. We could have this with rice or as a side dish with chapattis or even bread. The gravy could be as thin or thick as you wish, so accordingly you add water. And it's so easy to make, finishes very fast, and quite delicious as well. So if you like this video, do like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless.